So, guys, in this video, we are going to talk about Government of Tamil Nadu's Teacher Recruitment Board Assistant Professor Commerce exam. The notification of the same was out in March 2024 and the exam is expected in few months. तो हम इस वीडियो में क्या करने वाले हैं? We are going to talk about how you can prepare with human paraters and can ace this exam. The whole preparation plan is divided into two parts. First is the printed concise booklets of domain knowledge, which we are going to send at your doorstep through delivery. Second is the learning management system, जिसके through you will cover the syllabus. ठीक है? तो these booklet looks like this. ये कुछ इस तरीके से हैं. These are the concise booklets of your topic. ठीक है? And few of them are here that I'm displaying in this video. ठीक है? And this will reach at your doorstep through delivery. Second, when you are enrolled with us, we are going to provide you credentials for learning management system of human paraters, which is visible to you in this page. ठीक है? As you can see, there are different topics that needs to be studied for your exam. For example, business management or organizational behavior, cost and management accounting, current events, financial management, financial accounting, HRM, income tax, and so on. ठीक है? So there is a disclaimer that I'm going to provide you here that that Human Paraters is going to provide you courses for the domain knowledge, that is the commerce, national current affairs, but we are not going to provide any courses for the Tamil language as well as the GK of Tamil Nadu. ठीक है? तो guys, now let us see कि आखिर किसी भी कीवर्ड में अगर आपको उसकी तैयारी करनी है आप उसको कैसे करोगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट मी गो टू अ पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक एंड फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट मी गो टू आई डोंट नो legal aspect of business. So when you go to the legal aspects of business, the screen will show you the different topics that has to be covered within the keyword of legal aspects of business. For example, Indian Contract Act, Sale of Good Act, Negotiable Instrument Act, Limited Liability Partnership, and so on. ठीक है? नाउ लेट अस ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि किसी भी कीवर्ड में आप उसकी पढ़ाई कैसे करोगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई गो टू अ टॉपिक ऑफ नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट एक्ट, सो देर आर थ्री डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स दैट यू कैन सी हियर. First is the class on Negotiable Instrument Act. Second is the descriptive book of Negotiable Instrument Act. And third are there are some quizzes associated to it. ठीक है? So, for all those who don't know us, that we are Human Peritus and we are providing courses for management and commerce for the past 15 years for various competitive exams, and thousands of students have cleared their exam by through the resources that we have provided. ठीक है? So when we go to the class of Negotiable Instrument Act, so these are some short trick classes. These are descriptive classes. This will cover the conceptual understanding of a particular कीवर्ड. ठीक है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप इस क्लास को देखोगे, सो दिस क्लास ऑफ नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट एक्ट इज 1 hour 23 minutes. ठीक है? So that is all. So also you can see the book portion in this topic also. So these are the descriptive book which are very much required for your exams, and there is a multiple choice questions and there is also a descriptive paper to this test. Okay, so as you can see, this is the book and it is these are not just the not some coverage of the definition but the descriptual conceptual understanding of the topics, and you can see here. ठीक है? This has also been sufficed, it's also been added with the beautiful diagram जो कि आपको एक आइडिया देंगे कि आखिर चीजों को किस तरीके से आप अच्छे से लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है? So once you are done with the class, we are done with the descriptive book. What you can do, you can go to the quizzes and you can practice some quizzes for your multiple choice question segment. ठीक है? Now जिस तरीके से आपने negotiable instrument act cover किया, you are going to cover other topics in the similar manner, that is class, books and quizzes. ठीक है? Once you are done with the legal aspect of business, you can cover other topics of your domain as well as current through by this process. ठीक है? For example, if I go to the financial management, the similar concepts, the similar components will be displayed here. For example, time value of money, there are classes, there is a descriptive book, and there is a quiz to it. ठीक है? So guys, that is how you are going to prepare for this exam with human paratus and for your domain knowledge as well as the national current affairs. You can depend completely on us. You do not need to touch any other book as well as your previous notes. Okay, you can also take 1 day free trial of this learning management system and see from yourself कि कैसे you are going to ace this exam for your selection. All the best.